Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. If you're into plant content, then please do consider subscribing. Now in this video, I'm here to talk to you guys about how to propagate your ficuses. Okay, right now I have here a Ficus teneki, and previously there was actually a growth from this Ficus teneki that had been, reverting. So that growth there is the Ficus burgundy, and right there is its previous growth, which is the Ficus teneki leaves. Now they're pretty much from the same family, so that's why I named this propagating your ficus. Now just wanting to let you guys know that if you guys are propagating anything, make sure that it's within that the season of either spring or summer to actually increase your success. Now to propagate a cutting from your ficus, all you have to do is just cut. Okay, just make sure that that cutting that you get is around about probably 5 centimeters from where the leaves are shooting out from, so like this one. Okay, once you do, pop that in water and see the root actually grow. Now this one probably took, right there, probably took around about, I don't know, 4 to 8 weeks to probably root. Okay, so make sure that when you are putting this somewhere, or that cutting rather, that it's somewhere that has indirect light and somewhere where it's really bright and not too cold as well, to help increase chances of you getting roots in that cutting. Now this one will actually be ready to be potted in an indoor potting mix. All right, if you guys want to know a good indoor soil potting mix, then I will link that down below. It's from the previous videos that I made. So here is now the update of that ficus that I was propagating before, and I've actually repotted it into a indoor soil potting mix with a terracotta pot. And as you can see, previously it was those two variegated leaves, and now it's reverting back to its variegated version form, which is really great. And I can see there's a new bud shooting up right there, which I'm expecting will also be variegated, so that's a really good outcome from what we've seen. So there you go. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you have found that useful and how to propagate your ficuses. They're all pretty much the same, so if you try that with your Ficus lyrata, Ficus burgundy, Ficus ruby, and all that stuff, and all other ficuses, that will actually work. I know that there are other ways of propagating ficuses, but that's just one of the easiest way to propagate ficuses. Alright, so if you like that video, then please go ahead and click that like button. If you do want to see me make more videos like this, then please click that subscribe button. Otherwise, if there are any future videos that you guys want me to make regarding plants, please do comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.